Hello viewers, welcome to MathTech. I am Amit Sharma. Welcome to the lecture series of Abstract Algebra for CSIR NET, GATE, NBHM, TIFR, MSc Mathematics and IIT JAM exam. This is part 2 of lecture 2. If you haven't seen the part 1 of lecture 2, please go and see. You can find the link in description box. For rest of the viewer, let's start. Order of element. Let G be a group under multiplication and A belongs to G, then order of element A belongs to G is the least positive integer n such that a to the power n equal to e, which is known as identity. It is denoted by this. If no such n exists for element A, then order of A is infinity. Next note, number 1, for additive group, the formula for order of element become NA equal to identity instead of A to the power n equal to identity. Number 2, the order of identity element is always 1, that is order of E is 1. Question number 1. Find the order of each element of group Z under addition. We know that 0 is the identity element of group Z under addition, implies order of 0 is equal to 1. Let A not equal to 0 belongs to Z. In order to calculate order of A, we have to find a least positive integer n such that NA equal to 0, but there does not exist such n, implies order of A is infinity. Hence, the group Z under addition has elements of order 1 and infinity. Similarly, the group Q under addition, R under addition and C under addition has elements of order 1 and infinity. Question number 2. Find the order of each element of group Z star under multiplication. We know that Z star contain the element 1 and minus 1. Now, 1 raised to the power 1 equal to 1 implies order of 1 is 1, and minus 1 square equal to 1 implies order of minus 1 equal to 2. Question number 3. Find the order of each element of group Q star under multiplication. We know that 1 is the identity element of the group Q star under multiplication, implies order of 1 is 1. Also, minus 1 belongs to Q star and minus 1 square equal to 1 implies order of minus 1 is equal to 2. Let A not equal to plus minus 1 belongs to Q star. In order to calculate order of A, we have to find a least positive integer n such that A to the power n equal to 1, but there does not exist such n, implies order of A is infinity. Hence, the group Q star under multiplication has elements of order 1, 2 and infinity. Similarly, the group R star under multiplication has elements of order 1, 2 and infinity. Question number 4. Find the order of each element of group C star under multiplication. We know that 1 is the identity element of the group C star under multiplication, implies order of 1 is 1. Also, 1 raised to the power 1 by n belongs to C star. This is known as nth root of unity, such that 1 raised to the power 1 by n to the power n is equal to 1 implies order of 1 over 1 to the power n is equal to n. Hence, C star has elements of order 1, 2, 3 up to n and infinity. Note: number of elements of order n in C star is phi n. For example, number of elements of order 10 in C star is phi of 10, which is equal to 4. Question number 5. This question was asked in CSIR NET June exam in 2015. How many elements does the set Z belongs to complex number such that Z raised to the power 60 equal to minus 1, Z raised to the power k not equal to minus 1 for 0 less than k less than 60 have option 1 24, option 2 30, option 3 32, option 4 45. It is given that Z raised to the power 60 equal to minus 1 and Z raised to the power k not equal to minus 1 for 0 less than k less than 60 implies Z raised to the power 1 by 20 equal to 1 and Z raised to the power k is not equal to 1 for 0 less than k less than 120 implies order of Z is 120. The number of elements of order 120 in C star is phi of 120, which can be written as phi of 2 cube into 3 into 5, which can be further written as phi of 2 cube into phi of 3 into phi of 5, which is equal to 4 into 2 into 4, which is equal to 32. Hence, the number of elements in the set are 32. Therefore, option 3 is right. Question number 6. This question was asked in CSIR NET December exam in 2015. What is the cardinality of the set Z belongs to complex number such that Z raised to the power 98 equal to 1, Z raised to the power n not equal to 1 for 0 less than n less than 98? Option 1 0, option 2 12, option 3 42, option 4 49. It is given that Z raised to the power 98 equal to 1 and Z raised to the power 9 not equal to 1 for 0 less than n less than 98 implies order of Z is 98. The number of elements of order 98 in C star is phi of 98, which can be further written as phi of 7 square into 2, which can be further written as phi of 7 square into phi of 2, which is equal to 42 into 1 equal to 42. Hence, the number of elements in the set are 42. Therefore, option 3 is right. Question number 7. What is the cardinality of the set Z belongs to complex number such that Z raised to the power 12 equal to 1, Z raised to the power n not equal to 1 for 0 less than n less than 12? It is given that Z raised to the power 12 equal to 1 and Z raised to the power n not equal to 1 for 0 less than n less than 12 implies order of Z is 12. The number of elements of order 12 in C star is phi of 12, which can be written as phi of 2 square into 3, which can be further written as phi of 2 square into phi of 3, which is equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Hence, the number of elements in the set are 4. Next is order of elements in Zn. Question number 8. Find the order of each element of Z4. We know that Z4 contains the element 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now order of 0 is 1 because 0 is the identity element. Order of 1 is 4 because 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and when we divide it 4 by 4 it will give you the remainder 0, means 4 multiplied by 1 is 0 under addition module 4. Order of 2 is 2 because 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. When we divide it 4 by 4 it will give remainder 0, means 2 multiplied by 2 is 0 under addition module 4. Next is order of 3, which is equal to 4 because 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. When we divide it 12 by 4 it will give you remainder 0, means 3 multiplied by 4 is 0 under addition module 4. Next is results. Number 1, let G be a group and A belongs to G, then order of A equal to order of A inverse. Number 2, if A belongs to G and order of A is finite, then order of A raised to the power n equal to order of Na. This is for multiplicative group and this is for additive group, and this is equal to order of A divided by GCD of order of A comma n. Question number 9. Find the order of each element of Z20. We know that Z20 contains the element 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 19. Now order of 0 is 1 because 0 is the identity element. Order of 1 is 20 because 20 multiplied by 1 is 0 under addition module 20. Also 1 inverse is equal to 20 minus 1, which is equal to 19, implies order of 19 is also equal to 20. Next is order of 2 equal to order of 2 inverse. Now what is 2 inverse in Z20? 2 inverse is equal to 18, means order of 2 is equal to order of 18, which can be calculated as 10. Next is order of 3 equal to order of 3 inverse. Now what is 3 inverse in Z20? Which is equal to 17, means order of 3 is equal to order of 17, which is equal to 20. Next is order of 4 should be equal to order of 4 inverse. Now what is 4 inverse in Z20? It is equal to 16, means order of 4 is equal to order of 16, which is equal to 5. Next is order of 6 equal to order of 6 inverse. Now what is 6 inverse in Z20? Is equal to 14, means order of 6 is equal to order of 14, which is equal to 10. Next is order of 7 equal to order of 7 inverse. Now what is 7 inverse in Z20? Is equal to 13. Now order of 7 is equal to order of 13, which is equal to 20. Next is order of 8 should be equal to order of 8 inverse. Now what is 8 inverse in Z20? It is equal to 12, means order of 8 should be equal to order of 12, which is equal to 5. Order of 9 equal to order of 9 inverse. What is 9 inverse in Z20? It is equal to 11, means order of 9 is equal to order of 11, which is equal to 20. Order of 10 is equal to order of 10 inverse. What is 10 inverse in Z20? It is equal to 10, means order of 10 is equal to 2. From above example, if we calculate the number of elements of particular order in Z20, we find that Z20 has one element of order 1, one element of order 2, two elements of order 4, four elements of order 5, four elements of order 10, and 8 elements of order 20. Next is there is any way to find the number of elements of a particular order, say D in Zn, without calculating the order of element of Zn? The answer is yes. Result: if D is greater than 0 and D divides n, then the number of elements of order d in Zn is phi of d. Question number 10. Find the number of elements of order 10 in Z30. Since 10 divides 30 implies number of elements of order 10 in Z30 is phi 10, which is equal to 4. Question number 11. Find the number of elements of order 3 in Z10. Since 3 does not divide 10, implies Z10 has no element of order 3. Hence, the number of elements of order 3 in Z10 is 0. Question number 12. This question was asked in TIFR exam in 2016. Let G equal to Z by 100Z and let S is equal to H belongs to G such that order of H is equal to 50. Then the cardinality of S equals option A 20, option B 25, option C 30, option D 50. We know that Z by 100Z is isomorphic to Z100, implies G is equal to Z100, S equal to H belongs to G such that order of H is equal to 50, means S is the set of those elements of Z100 whose order is 50. Now, the number of elements of order 50 in Z100 is 550, which is equal to phi of 5 square into 2, which can be further written as phi of 5 square into phi of 2, which is equal to 5 square minus 5 times 1, which is equal to 20. Therefore, cardinality of S is 20. Hence, option A is right. Order of elements in UN. Question number 13. Find the order of each element of U10. We know that U10 contain the element 1, 3, 7 and 9. Now, order of 1 is 1 because 1 is the identity element. Order of 3 is equal to 4 because 3 raised to the power 4 equal to 1 under multiplication modulo 10. Order of 7 is equal to 4 because 7 raised to the power 4 equal to 1 under multiplication modulo 10. Order of 9 is 2 because 9 square is equal to 1 under multiplication modulo 10. Question number 14. Find the order of each element of U20. We know that U20 contain the element 1, 3, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Now, order of 1 is 1 because 1 is the identity element. The order of 3 equal to order of 3 inverse. The 3 inverse in U20 is 7, means order of 3 equal to order of 7, which is equal to 4 because 3 raised to the power 4 equal to 1 under multiplication modulo 20. Order of 9 equal to order of 9 inverse. Now, 9 inverse in U20 is 9 and order of 9 is 2 because 9 square is equal to 1 under multiplication modulo 20. Order of 11 equal to order of 11 inverse. Now, 11 inverse in U20 is 11 and order of 11 is 2 because 11 square is equal to 1 under multiplication modulo 20. Order of 13 equal to order of 13 inverse. Now, 13 inverse in U20 is 17, means order of 13 equal to order of 17, which is equal to 4 because 13 raised to the power 4 equal to 1 under multiplication modulo 20. Order of 19 equal to order of 19 inverse. Now, 19 inverse in U20 is 19 and order of 19 is 2 as 19 square is equal to 1 under multiplication modulo 20. Question number 15. This question was asked in IIT JAM exam in 2019. Let G equal to n belongs to n such that n is less than equal to 55. GCD of n comma 55 equal to 1. Be the group under multiplication modulo 55. let x belongs to G be such that x square equal to 26 and x is greater than 30, then x is equal to G equal to n belongs to natural number such that n is less than equal to 55. GCD of n comma 55 equal to 1. Be the group under multiplication modulo 55. We have to find those x belongs to G which are greater than 30 and satisfies x square equal to 26 under multiplication modulo 55. Let us take x equal to 31 which is greater than 30 and 31 square is 961 which is equal to 26 under multiplication modulo 55. Now take x equal to 46 which is greater than 30 and 46 square is 2116 which is equal to 26 under multiplication modulo 55. Hence x is 31 and x is 46. Order of elements in Dn. Question number 16. Find the order of each element of D3. We know that D3 contains the element R0, R120, R240 which is known as rotation, L1, L2, L3 which is known as reflection. Now order of L1 equal to order of L2 equal to order of L3 which is equal to 2. Because L1, L2 and L3 are reflection, in Dn group each reflection has order 2. Now order of R0 is 1 because R0 to the power 1 is R0. Order of R120 equal to order of R120 inverse which is equal to R240, means order of R120 equal to order of R240 which is equal to 3 because R120 cube is R0. Hence D3 has one element of order 1, 3 elements of order 2 and 2 elements of order 3. Question number 17. Find the order of each element of D4. We know that D4 contains the element R0, R90, R180, R270 known as rotation, H, V, D, D dash known as reflection. Now order of H equal to order of V equal to order of D equal to order of D dash which is equal to 2 because H, V, D and D dash are reflection. Order of R0 is 1 because R0 to the power 1 is R0. Order of R90 equal to order of R90 inverse which is equal to R270, means order of R90 equal to order of R270 which is equal to 4 because R90 to the power 4 is R0. Order of R180 equal to order of R180 inverse which is equal to R180, and order of R180 is 2 because R180 square is R0. Hence D4 has one element of order 1, 5 elements of order 2 and 2 elements of order 4. Is there any way to find the number of elements of particular order, say D in Dn, without calculating the order of elements of Dn? Answer is yes. Results. Number 1. The number of elements of order 2 in Dn is equal to n plus 1 if n is even, n if n is odd. If D not equal to 2 divides n, then the number of elements of order D in Dn is phi of D. For example, in D10, number of element of order 1 is 1. Number of elements of order 2 is 10 plus 1 because 10 is an even number. 5 which is not equal to 2 divides 10, then number of elements of order 5 is 5 which is equal to 4. 10 which is not equal to 2 divides 10, then number of elements of order 10 is 10 which is equal to 4. Next example, in D15, Number of element of order 1 is 1. Number of elements of order 2 is 15 because n is odd number. 3 which is not equal to 2 divides 15, then number of elements of order 3 is 5, 3 which is equal to 2. 5 which is not equal to 2 divides 15, then number of elements of order 5 is 5, 5 which is equal to 4. 15 which is not equal to 2 divides 15, then number of elements of order 15 is 5, 15 which is equal to 8. Note: a group G has exactly one element of order 1. Order of elements in K4. Question number 18. Find the order of each element of K4. We know that K4 contains the element E, A, B, AB such that A square equal to identity, B square equal to identity, AB equal to BA. Now order of E is 1 because E is the identity element. Order of A equal to order of B equal to 2 because A square equal to identity and B square equal to identity. Order of AB is equal to 2 because AB square can be written as AB into AB, which is further written as AABB, which is equal to A square B square. Now A square is identity and B square is equal to identity, and identity multiplied by identity is identity. Hence K4 has one element of order 1 and 3 elements of order 2. Order of elements in Q4. Question number 19. Find the order of each element of Q4. Q4 contains the element plus minus 1, plus minus I, plus minus j, plus minus k, such that I square equal to j square equal to k square equal to minus 1, I times j equal to minus j times I equal to k, j times k equal to minus k times j equal to I, k times I equal to minus I times k equal to j. Now order of 1 is 1 because 1 is the identity element. Order of minus 1 is 2 because minus 1 square is equal to 1. Order of I equal to order of I inverse. Now what is I inverse? This is equal to minus I, means order of I equal to order of minus I, which is equal to 4 because I raised to the power 4 is 1. Order of j equal to order of j inverse. Now j inverse is minus j, means order of j equal to order of minus j, which is equal to 4, as j raised to the power 4 is 1. Order of k equal to order of k inverse. Now k inverse is minus k, means order of k equal to order of minus k, which is equal to 4 because k raised to the power 4 is 1. Hence Q4 has one element of order 1, one element of order 2, and 6 elements of order 4. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. Thank you very much.